Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at an absolutely gorgeous 1968 Ford Mustang GT fastback car, guys. Neat car, got a cool little history. This car was actually featured in TV series Chicago Fire. They called it their hero car. I guess the main character of the show actually drove this car. I'm not a TV buff, so I couldn't even tell you who it was. I believe his name was Taylor something, but gorgeous car. It has just undergone a complete body-up restoration. It was done professionally by a company. I think they're called Mustang Restorations. Factory presidential blue car, white C stripe. It's got the two-tone blue vinyl interior. Factory J code 302 V8. And gorgeous. Other than a couple little stone pecks, I didn't see a whole lot you could really nitpick, guys. This car is slick. Couple little things like that, but new chrome, new stainless. Really did a nice job when they restored the car. Slick paint. Car really hits the road great. That's the studio sticker for it. I'm not a sticker guy. Normally I have all the stickers taken off cars, but I told the guys to leave. They better leave that one on. Apologize about the little snowflakes, but we've got snow coming, so I'm going to try to get this thing advertised before the big snow hits. Glass is very nice. Of course, you see the fold-down rear seat. Beautiful car, man. Of course, that iconic 68 tail panel on it. Car's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it with the factory 14-inch Magnums. You can see it's got the GT rear valance on it. Car sits good, really hits the road good. Touch-up mark there. Factory J code 302 car, Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Power steering, power front disc brakes. They've gone through all the front suspension. And I believe everything on this car works, even the clock. C4 automatic trans. Great car. 67 68s have always been just highly desirable since I started doing this when I was 17 years old. The fender mount or hood mount turn signals work. These cars have always been highly sought after. Chrome mirror, you can see the A-pillar chrome's really nice. New door handles. New door rubbers. There's your door tag. See, the door seams are nice and clean. Mark there. Well, your interior lighting seems to be working correctly. Fold down rear seat. Headliner looks great. Bucket seats. That's an aftermarket center console. I think it pulls out if you don't like it. Factory steering wheel, factory tack and gauge car, 62,208. That is supposed to be the original miles on this car too. And there's supposed to only be a few thousand miles on the restoration. Sony aftermarket sound system in it, stock floor shifter, H-pipe dual exhaust. It's got a little rattle in one of the exhausts, so I may end up changing this exhaust on this car. But I'll check it. And I'm not going to drive it down in this snow, so because it's hitting, as you can see, it's coming. Factory jack with spare. This is your Marti Report. There's also a thing of the what do you call it? The TV show. I can't remember what it is. New fuel tank. It's all body color in here. A script. There's a script in there for the show it was in. Very nice. Nice underneath. Again, the only thing I did, I think this driver's side muffler might be rattling a little bit, so we'll check it. New sill plates, new carpet. Interior looks like it was all redone. Seats are really nice. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Look how nice the stainless is there. That's really nice. And again, these are great. I'm a coffee drinker. I like to drive them in the morning. I have a couple of those in my cars. Glass is nice. I saw a couple little scratches. No big cam or anything, pretty much restored right back to stock. Squeak with the alternator belt. Just runs as sweet as can be. Just a good car, guys. Your hood mount turn signals, they all work. I'm not aware of anything on this car that does not work. Blower motor works, tack works, all your gauges are functional, clock works, fuel gauge is working up in there. Everything opens and closes real nice. Backup lights work. Little sweetheart, man. Radio works. Again, blower motor works. Gorgeous car. Look at your little fog lights work. Yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. God, it's a pretty car. Turn the key, point the direction. That's a good car right there. Also now subscribe to our web page. Another good way to keep track of our inventory.